Hi guys, it's Anushka and welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for today's video because it's a Savannah Hall. I have never shopped from there before. Never. So it's my first time. So I'm very excited, very curious to know like how the clothes, how the outfits are going to be, the fit, the quality and everything. It took around 20 days to deliver. That's a really long time for me. It's gonna be very brutally honest haul video. I'm gonna try on everything and show you. I got a pair of sunglasses, but this is how it looks. Like I wanted something pretty basic, black, but in this shape. Just look perfect for every day because the ones I have just like very heavy, so I don't want to use it every day. But and this is how it looks. What do you guys think? मुझे तो बहुत ही perfect लग रहा है, like the shape and all and everything, and also the material is pretty good. So I'm gonna put link for all this in my description box below so you can check that. In the case they have sent, definitely I'm gonna use this. But yeah, this is perfect. Next I have ordered socks because my work is such like I have to wear socks in studios when I'm shooting and all. So I need like a lot of socks क्योंकि वो हमेशा फट जाते हैं नीचे से. No, these are like 6 pair of white socks. It is not bad. I have this top. It is so cute. Like when I saw this, it was so Pinteresty and like really pretty. And I'm so stunned because for the kind of price I paid, this is so good. Like how it looks from the front. Yeah, say it's like open, so they've given these. You can just tie it. But yeah, this is how the neck is. Perfect summer top. I love this one, guys. It's so cute and very Pinteresty. Like, just the material and the fit has come along like perfect. I really like the neck and the frills, the lace work. And we have this red t-shirt. Now this is like a off-shoulder cut t-shirt. And the quality for this is so good. Perfect t-shirt to wear at home, or even you go out you can wear this. You just need to like elevate the outfit. Because so the size for this is extra small, and the size for this I ordered is S. I really like this one. It's definitely a bit oversized क्योंकि ये small size है. I really like the color and everything about this one. You know, the fabric, just the material is also okay. I really like this top. When we have this short, so much hope from this. Because मैंने ऐसे ही short मैंने बहुत Pinterest पे देखे है, like people wearing it with those retros and glasses and low waist jeans and all. And I saw it Savannah, like let's try it. And I was very hopeful कि अच्छे आ जाए, but the quality of this is so bad. It's polyester और मुझे fit भी सही नहीं आया है. मुझे size देखना पड़ेगा, like what size I ordered. It's extra small, but it's not like fitted. This kind of shorts थोड़ा body fitted अच्छा लगता है. So I didn't like these sleeves on me. At all, because जो मेरे दिमाग में था ना for this one, it's not like that at all. And we have this top, look cute on the website. और मुझे कुछ तो ऐसे sleeveless चाहिए था. So again, this for size I got a small size. Not like the material again. जो कि मुझे perfect आ रहा है from here and here, from everywhere, but it's loose from here. Like what the hell? So this is definitely gonna be returned. And one more off-shoulder t-shirt. These kind of t-shirt, they just elevate the outfit and looks very cool. I hoped मैंने इसमें extra small मंगाया था because I think it's gonna be loose to me. I like this t-shirt. So super cool. Little like oversized fit. And then we have this short. It just screams, academia core, which I'm so much into right now. This short with specs and just like jeans, like a flared jeans, gonna look so cool. So I have really high hopes from this one. Thankfully इसका material काफ़ी अच्छा है, like much good. And this one I ordered was in the size small. It's wearable for summers. It's time for moment of truth. What do you guys think? You know, I actually really like it, but the only problem here is that ये थोड़ा पीछे जैसे फिटिंग में होता है ना. Let me show you. थोड़ा सा फिटिंग में होता है ना, ये काफ़ी सही लगता. It's really cool. I love it. Thankfully from here, like from the sleeve, from the arms, it's not very loose. And then we got a yellow shirt. So I had a yellow shirt, but उस पे color लग गया, and now it looks like a very bluish yellow. And I do not like it at all. This is again stripes. I'm telling you, I did not realize when everything ordered is stripes. But yeah, I'm really liking the blue and yellow color combination. Summery shirt, and the size for this one I ordered is small. It's not pure cotton, it's like mixed polyester. Liking the short. Such a summer vibe. The fit is perfect and इसका जो length है वो भी सही है. Lastly, we have another shirt. Again, it's stripes. For this one, I'm really excited because all over my like feed on Pinterest, like blue shirts, it's also trending so much right now. And for the size I got in small, it's gonna be perfect because it's a bit oversized, and the material for this is actually it's pretty good. Guys, this is how the short looks. I'm gonna wear it so much to work. I hope you guys like the video. And that's all for the Savannah haul. I really liked most of the products because for the pricing, it's so affordable. So pricing is very affordable, as we know, and the quality they're giving is really good. You know, sometimes it just hit or miss. For me, I would say in shirts, I didn't like the quality much, but the top I was so doubtful कि नहीं कि ये ऐसा आएगा कि नहीं आएगा, but thankfully it came literally like that, and I love it. Like it's literally like crazy. I'll see you guys in my next video, and if you guys enjoyed it, you know what to do. You gotta get support your girl, like, share and subscribe. I'm gonna see you in my next video.